तुम इंडिया की बेइज्जती क्यों करा रहे हो इन लोग के सामने, बताओ। ये लोग क्या सोचे साले कुप्पी
Yeah.
वाला काम करते हैं हम लोग।
Oh, Mamos, yeah. It's
You wanna
Mamos.
try momos?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you can buy Rolex here. Yeah.
I think you have seen it in the films. Amir Khan. This is Shah Rukh Khan.
And what's the
जाओ, yes,
like
जाओ।
the
बातचीत होगी।
richest area in New York?
ये भाई वही स्प्रिंग रोल है ना आपका ये?
Скажем
इतना
так.
बीमार क्यों है ये?
No light.
तुम इंडिया की बेइज्जती क्यों करा रहे हो इन लोग के सामने, बताओ। ये लोग क्या सोचे साले कुप्पी
Yeah.
वाला काम करते हैं हम लोग।
Happy birthday.
शाबाश बेटा।
देख लो भाई क्या कह रहा है, कह रहा है हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Yeah, yeah.
कितने पैसे देने, अभी देने बाद में? बताओ, बेइज्जती करा दी तुमने मेरी इंडिया की।
Kiss it with candle.
कहाँ चढ़ाते भैया? ऊपर चढ़ाते हैं? किसके?
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा।
यहाँ कहाँ लगा दो भाई, ऊपर बोल रहा है। साला यहाँ आओ, बड़ा क्राउडेड रहता है यार, बड़ा भीड़ रहती है। और भैया कैसे हो? चाय पिलाओ यार। आ रहे हैं आ रहे हैं। ओह
Oh, you can buy Rolex here. Yeah.
The copy one, I don't know, first, third or 100 copy.
Original.
क्या भैया?
500 rupee original.
त्यागी मिस्टर, जो नहीं खाते, जो कभी नहीं किया, वो करने जा रहे हैं साला।
Oh, it's very
Non-veg के लिए
famous
आ गए।
yeah place.
ऊपर ही बैठे हैं, नीचे
It's
बैठे हैं।
famous place,
Yeah,
yeah.
these are the famous people who come here for the having the food here. So maybe some of the there are Indian like actors who have celebrated here, just come here. You know, this is I think you have seen it in the films. Amir Khan. This is Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh, I totally watch
this is
film
Shah
with
Rukh
this.
Khan.
Yeah.
So these are the famous actors, Amitabh Bachchan. So these are the film actors who have come here to enjoy the meals. Yeah, this is something.
Very nice. Короче, пришли в Тундай Кебаби. Очень известное место, реально здесь очень крутые актеры.
Right.
Yeah, I will maybe took just this. Yeah, and maybe lassi.
See, और हाँ,
Еще принесли нам наш заказ.
हमारी नहीं है ये, but ये इन लोगों की है, इन्हें खिलाना था।
Вот,
मैं लेके आया
мутон
हूँ।
biryani,
This is
и
biryani
здесь 4
and this is kebab.
kebab.
Yeah, and this is roti.
Put it on 2 plates.
Okay,
Right.
okay.
So भैया हम लोग बाहर निकल आए वहाँ से, मेरा टुंडे कबाब, और अब चलते हैं यहाँ
I
से।
think maybe this
और
also
हम
tasted.
वापस अपनी
Look
गाड़ी की
very
ओर। चलो भाई यहाँ से हमें ये रिक्शा मिल गया, फिर 100 रुपीज देने हैं, and then we'll move from here. भैया साले शुक्र मजबूत करना चाहिए था।
Which place we go now?
शुक्र यहाँ मजबूत हो गया करके। अबे सही बात भाई।
And what's the
जाओ, yes,
like
जाओ।
the
आगे बातचीत होगी।
richest area in New York? Richest area in New York.
न्यूयॉर्क।
Yeah.
अंकल किधर से चल रहे हैं आप?
I don't know every district of New York.
Yeah, I also.
Manhattan, Queens, the Bronx.
Manhattan.
Manhattan,
For
yeah,
example,
Manhattan.
like in New York, they have Manhattan and have a Bronx. Bronx is totally for like bad guys, like hard living, and Manhattan
Separated
is,
area, yeah.
Yeah, and Manhattan, and they look super differently. Like Manhattan, super rich, super cool, and Bronx like super dirty, like super bad. Yeah, and have something in Lucknow, for example.
But here in like Lucknow, it's not like that, like super rich and like they every place you will get mixed people, like rich people also, middle
yeah.
class also, and slums also. So usually have like this kind of environment in every place in Lucknow.
Like this, yeah.
Not like somebody. This is like a richest people.
I mean, like
I got
for
your point, I
example,
got your
some
point.
part have like
Separated
tot-
district.
No.
No. I mean, like some part of the city have super good road, no traffic jam, like.
So भाई हम आ गए अपनी गाड़ी के पास, गाड़ी उठाते हैं यहाँ से और निकलते हैं 10-90 की तरफ। थोड़ा वहाँ घुमा के इनको छोड़ दूंगा और चलता हूँ वापस घर की ओर। फिर सो भाई अभी हम हजरतगंज चौराहे पे पहुंच गए हैं एंड वी आर वेटिंग टू गो 1090। देखते हैं कहाँ गाड़ी खड़ी कर सकते हैं। बट अभी वेट कर रहे हैं, लाइक अदर पीपल्स आर वेटिंग, वी आर ऑल्सो वेटिंग हियर। ये देखो सब बैठे हुए हैं, मौज कर रहे हैं। ना भैया
Короче, пришли на улицу со стрит. I want to try this, you see?
which one?
This like small balls, they put something inside.
Okay, fine,
Yeah.
let's do it.
Yeah. Pani budi? Pani budi?
Pani puri. Okay, we'll do it. Probably, we'll do it. So this is like barbecue, something like that. You can put it on like paneer and all. You can put in barbecue and grill it and have a food, like something like a snack, kind of snack. So this starts from here and goes to that
Oh,
side.
mamas, yeah. It's
Like, momos. Wanna
mamas.
try momos?
Yeah. Mamas. Yeah, mama chicken like have like some special dish. It's very good.
Momos,
like
right, no?
yeah, like biryani, like chicken. But for example, for mamas they not super good. Yeah, need to order. They write in menu.
Right.
This is our special dish. Like.
But it's not special, you know.
Yeah, mama's not special. No,
Yeah.
good. Well, I ask.
You wanna have this?
Yeah, I want to
Okay.
try one.
कौन सा ले जाए भैया? कब फ्री हो रहे हो? फ्री हो जाओ तो फिर खिलाओ। खिला दो, बना दो।
Maybe we can share a small plate or something. What do you think?
How? I think we can order like any that you want.
Right.
Not need to buy a plate. Yeah.
That's something like that. They are having
yeah.
like the same
Yeah,
one
just
which
one.
now.
I maybe.
चलो भैया खाते हैं पानी के बताशे। कौन कौन सा पानी है भैया आपके पास? सारे टेस्ट कराओ इनको, सारे टेस्ट कराओ। मुझे सिर्फ दिखा।
They're different or all the
Yeah,
same?
they have
all different.
every water has different taste. So you can try which one you like. You can stay on that one. Okay.
And you know it's which you like.
I like pretty much like something like spicy.
Very spicy.
I don't know which one is spicy. I don't. Once they give a taste, then I can tell you which this one is good.
Okay.
For my, I don't know what you like.
Oh,
ये भैया spicy वाला है?
That's good.
let's cheers.
Okay.
What is this?
Ice cream. Такое мороженое. You our tour guide.
Yeah, I'm actually your
Yeah.
tourist guy. You know.
Yeah. What else you like?
You wanna try?
In veg, some snacks. What you like?
Like I like usually everything. Like
Yeah.
it depends on mood.
Mm.
Sometimes I like momos. Sometimes I like pav bhaji. Like this is the momos if you wanna try. I like spring rolls and so if you wanna try, we can. You wanna try spring?
Momos, I think we want to try.
Okay.
Maybe.
Go when we go back, we will try them from there.
सर आइए सेकंडी गोल्ड कॉफी का लगता है
फिर से बोलो भैया, फिर से बोलो।
आइए सर सेकंडी गोल्ड कॉफी का लगता है
काला कट्टा है क्या? काला खट्टा, खट्टा भी है, काला भी है। फिर से बोलो भाई। काला भी है, खट्टा भी है। काला। They are making pizzas. Like Sarji, when you come like on weekends here, like on Saturday and Sunday, this is like bombarded, a lot of crowd. You can't even walk here. Like tomorrow, you will see a lot of crowd here. You can't even imagine to walk. Just with so many people with their girlfriends, like their wives and family and all. This is something.
Today is calm, yeah?
Today is calm. Yeah, I can say that today is calm. मोमोज खिला दो भैया। क्या करें? वेज खिलाएं?
Yeah, veg.
वेज खिलाते हैं। वेज करो। बढ़िया वाला खाना में इन लोग मजा आना चाहिए, ऐसा खिलाओ तुम। Or what you wanna say is like you wanna try
Сейчас
this
будем
one?
пробовать мамос.
Some,
Это,
one of this kind.
Okay. ये भाई वही
Такие
स्प्रिंग
вот,
रोल है ना आपका ये?
скажем
इतना
так,
बीमार क्यों है
манты.
ये?
Не знаю, что такое. Какие-то
एक स्प्रिंग रोल भी कर दो
еще
फिर।
spring roll.
हो जाएगा भैया फ्राई? कर दो आप फिर एक।
For long term.
भैया बढ़िया पका देना अच्छे से।
Не, не туси.
That's why I like September is the best time to go there.
Yeah.
Everything is just like free. Wherever you want to stay, you can stay.
Yeah.
My personal choice is like city center because it's on the center side, so you can go to the walking street easily. You can go to the beaches easily. If you want to go to Jometan Beach, that is also accessible easily. ये भैया वहाँ तो खाने से यहाँ तक लेके आए हो? अच्छा सामान ले आते हो गए? ऐसा ही यार हमने एक दिन वहाँ भी देखा था, वो दूसरा है क्या? ओह, that seems. How is the taste? Good.
Do they in all put the same?
These are the vegetables.
Mm,
Like what we say,
cabbage.
cabbage.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I forgot
But
the name.
they changed like to cabbage to something other or in all cabbage?
Paneer and chicken as well.
Yep.
No, they have paneer.
Yeah.
I want to,
So you wanna try?
try paneer.
भैया?
You like paneer?
I usually like paneer because I don't eat non-veg,
Yeah,
so I
me-
usually
yeah,
like
yeah.
paneer only. Which one the tasting is good? This one or this one?
I did not.
This
try
is little spicy.
Well,
What about this?
I think I like this one.
Yeah?
रख दो भाई.
Yeah,
This
kind
is paneer one.
Yeah, this is good.
Which one is good?
This.
This one?
Yeah.
You want more? भैया ये चटनी और देना मेरे को. बहुत बढ़िया, क्या बात है भैया.
Oh, I have also a couple. Sometimes dogs are better than people.
I also have a dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
We'll meet tomorrow. His name is Simba. German Shepherd.
German Shepherd. Oh, very nice.
चलो भाई पिज़्ज़ा भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं. Mr. Tyagi helping us in putting his paneer and capsicum. What I say, I can say tomato.
Oh, look very nice.
Yeah, it looks like very smell is good. भाई मैं तो पकड़ू, मैं कहाँ हॉल से पकड़ो. Spread it.
Let's do a photo.
ये फोटो ले लो. हाँ यार, लेट्स डू अ फोटो. अभी एडिट ही करना पड़ेगा मुझे. अब इतना स्पाइस बचा भाई, यही ट्राई करेंगे लोग. सो भाई ऑल द फूडिंग हैव बीन डन. हम लोग सब कुछ खा पी चुके हैं. पिज़्ज़ा वीज़ा सब हो गया है.
Yeah.
बंद हो जाओ भाई.
Thank you very much.
और
Yeah.
नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू आवर हॉस्टल, राइट?
Yeah.
लेट्स मूव. ये 20 रुपए का महायोगदान भैया. चलो इधर से निकल जाओ भैया. ओके. So you guys can go. Okay.
Thank you for the evening.
Take a rest.
Yeah.
So guys हमने उन्हें अब छोड़ दिया है सर जी को उसके हॉस्टल पे. अब हम निकल रहे हैं यहाँ से. ये था हमारा आज का दिन. काफ़ी कुछ घुमा दिया, जो कुछ घुमा सकते, खिला पिला सकते थे. अब कल मिलता हूँ मैं इन लोगों से दोपहर के बाद, और इन लोग को बोल दिया है कि जाके इमामबाड़ा खुद से घुमाओ, और उसके बाद फिर मैं मिलूंगा, देखते हैं कहाँ और घुमा सकते हैं. So that's all for the day. Good night guys. Stay tuned. चैनल नहीं लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर रखा हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना भाइयों.